right? I choose what I hear. I choose who's around me, and I choose the input, garbage in, garbage out.
It hurts to accept it, but that's the reality, and nothing is gonna change if we don't accept it and start changing ourselves too.
That speaks to what was inside of me, because I'm comfortable with the jackhole.
We were looking for the American dream, and because we didn't have much back in our countries, and I'm speaking for myself too, like we feel like we have to provide with everything to our kids.
I live in hope, I live in trust, I live in faith because I have the receipts to prove it. And not because God just said, oh, you get a miracle and you get a miracle and you get a miracle. No, I did the work. So the facts of my life are based on faith, focus, action, and commitment. No matter what, come what may. And even that ugly thing, that thing that you think, I could never get over this.